Hola, I am Melissa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring to you Costa Rican inspired beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We're here to fall in love with the skin we live in and honor the cycles of life as we age beautifully, gracefully, and celebrate this beautiful body. I want to invite you to join this plant magic journey and unveil your unfiltered beauty. Voyant, what is this magic? It's a pH balancer, pore tonifier, hydrator, and mood booster. We use it on our face, our neck, and our chest. Our ritual, we want to spray it on cleansed face, AM or PM, before applying alchemic face and neck elixir. This is because we want to balance the pH after we cleanse our face. But that does not mean that we cannot use it all day, every day to refresh, hydrate, and balance our skin. And most important, boost our mood. Let's talk about the roses. Roses are amazing when inhaling its natural aroma. They're protective, they connect us with our heart chakra, that self-love energy, and really are exquisite and sensual. When it comes to skin, roses are known to calm, moisturize the skin, to reduce redness, to be astringent, anti-inflammatory, and are full of antioxidants. They're amazing for mature skin, hormonal skin, and we're talking about perimenopause, menopause, and acneic. Then we're gonna talk about lavender. Feel the calm, feel like the relaxation of this beautiful flower that balances our mind and reduces inflammation and detoxifies our skin. Lavender is known to help keep skin hydrated, tighten the pores, regulate sebum production. Amazing. Clairvoyant comes in two presentations. 2 plant magic potions, roses, and lavender. So pick the one that connects with you the best and the one that is going to fulfill your skin's desires. I love to use Clairvoyant when I'm traveling on a plane or traveling in my car and I feel very dry. It's always on my purse. Also, I love to use it as an organic makeup setter to refresh my makeup, set it, and have a dewy glow. For all of you guys going through menopause, this is a great SOS to really help you calm down and cool during a hot flash. Clairvoyant, this amazing, mystic, magical hydrating toner. It is a must in your beauty ritual routine. Try it. I invite you to have an experience with it and you will not be disappointed. Clairvoyant, Pura Vida. Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Message us if you have any questions. Pura Vida.